So over here, if I were to go around and bring in, let's say, a shape right here. So let's say this shape right here. Then this particular shape has certain connection points. And as I hover around, you can see those connection points right here. And from those connection points, I can bring in another shape just like this. Or I can go around and connect out the shape to that particular connection point right here. So what you can also do is you can edit those connection points according to how you like. So I'm just going to go around and select and delete all of these right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this shape and I'm going to right click over here. And then I'm going to go around and click on edit connection point. Once I do that over here, you can see that these are the connection point and I can go around and move this out. Let's say I want the connection point over here on the center for this one. I can go around and then let's say, for example, delete out the connection points by selecting them as well. So I'm going to go around, have one connection point at the center. I'm going to go around, delete out these connection points right here. And then over here, I'm going to add one to the left, as you can see right here. Drag this down right around over here. Add another connection point to the right, just like this. So this is one, and I'm going to go around onto the top and add one, but let me just go around and drag it in right here. So these are my new connection point for this particular shape right here. Let me just go around and arrange it out over here. Let me apply, and now what happens is that if I were to go around over here, let's say bring in this or maybe bring in a line right here, then if I were to go around, you can see it snaps there. It can snap to the center where there is the new connection point over here, just like this. And you can go around over here and snap it out over there, just like this, and snap it out over here, just like this, and so forth. So that is how you can go around and then edit out the connection points inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.